Hi guys, welcome back to Investing with A. I hope you are all good. In this video, I'm going to be going over my 15,000 total stock portfolio update. Going to be including all the stocks I hold and currently own, along with all returns, and finally how much dividends I have received since I have started investing. See you after the intro, guys. Hi guys, this is my main portfolio. This portfolio is with Interactive Investors. We're going to do a quick breakdown. So in this portfolio, got a total value of around 12,300, of a total cash value of around 383, investment value 11,900. So the total value is the investment value plus cash value. Going to my investments in alphabetical order, we have Alibaba. Alibaba is a Chinese based company, almost like the Chinese eBay. Then my investment in Alibaba, I have 4 shares in Alibaba. My cost price was around 148, giving me a total return of 70%. Next we have Apple. Apple doesn't really need any introductions, but nevertheless, if you are new to investing, Apple is a company that specializes in phones, computers, software, Play Stores and app development. So I have 20 shares in Apple with an average price of $37, giving me a return of around 240%. Next we have AT&T. AT&T is a US based telecoms company. We have 105 shares in AT&T, average price of $30, giving me a return of minus 2.86%. On this channel, guys, I'm going to be showing you my winners as well as my losers. Next we have BT. BT is a British telecoms company. In BT I have 153 shares, average price of £1.80, a return of minus 28%. BT is being hit very hard over the past year or two. Next we have Facebook. Facebook is a social media company that owns WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook. What we have is 9 shares in Facebook with a average price of 162, total return of 63.5%. Next we have JD.com. Don't get it confused with the JD trainers based in the UK. JD.com is almost like the Chinese Amazon. So we have 30 shares in JD with an average price of 25.80, giving me a return of 285%. Next we have National Grid. National Grid is a energy or utility provider based out of the UK. We have 88 shares in National Grid with an average price £8.20, giving me a return of 1.32%. Next we have Pfizer. Pfizer is a US based pharmaceutical company. Pfizer has recently been in the news due to the new COVID vaccination. In Pfizer, I have 26 shares with an average price $40.97, which is down minus 17.32%. Next, we have Shell. Shell is a oil and energy. We have 69 shares in Shell with the average price of £18.33 with a total return of minus 24.5%. Because Interactive Investors doesn't give me a total return on my portfolio, I have come over here to investing.com, which is a handy site for tracking your portfolio in terms of weight and returns. In my Interactive Investor account, my total return is around 33%. Quick breakdown of how everything was allocated in terms of weight. So 18% was AT&T, National Grid was 6%, Pfizer was around 5%, Royal Shell was 9%, BT 9%, Apple was around 14.8%, Alibaba was roughly around 6%, JD.com is around 17.5%, and finally Facebook is around 14%. So next, guys, we're gonna head over to my other portfolio, which is the Trading 212 account. Hi guys, this is my Trading 212 portfolio. What I'm going to do is first give you a overall breakdown of the portfolio, then go further in depth into all my individual holdings. To start off with, this portfolio amount is around 2,900 with 2,800 invested, 85 £2.5 in returns, or 3%. In terms of how this portfolio is broken down into investments, I have total 8 investments broken down into Aflac, which is 30%, Realty Income, which is 15%, Intel is 15% also, Cisco Systems at Oracle at around 9%, Lowe's 8%, ADV at around 8% also, and Royal Dutch Shell at around 5%. So let's do a more in-depth breakdown of all my investments. Starting off with ADV. ADV, my investment in ADV is 3 shares at £225 total investment, total return 2.3%. Number 2 is Aflac. Aflac is a US based insurance company. My investment in Aflac is at 25 shares totaling £870 with a total return 7.3%. Number 3, Cisco Systems. Cisco Systems is a US based company again, specializing in computer equipment and technology equipment. Investment in Cisco of 9.5 shares totaling around £306 with a total return of minus 2.5%. My next company is Intel. Intel is a US based semiconductor company. My total investment in Intel is 10 shares totaling around £430 with a total return of 15.4%. Number 5, Lowe's Companies. Lowe's is a US based hardware company specializing in home improvement, and my investment in Lowe's is 2 shares totaling around £240 with a total return of minus 0.22%. Number 6, Oracle. Oracle is a data storage company based out of the US. My investment in Oracle is 5.5 shares at £250 with a total return of 1.5%. Number 7 is Realty Company. My investment in Realty Income is 10 shares totaling £440 with a total return of minus 5.2%. Number 8 is my last investment, which is Royal Dutch Shell. In this portfolio, I have 10 shares of Royal Dutch Shell of £138 with a total return 8.56%. So in the next portion of this video, I'll be going over how much these companies pay me just for owning these in the form of dividends. So how much dividends have I received since I started investing? So guys, I started investing roughly at the end of 2019. If we total up the amount of dividends received to now, we have a total which is listed down here of all them dividends totaling at £410. This graph plots that dividend information. Looking at the trend line here, we can see a slight increase. This means the dividends are increasing slowly but surely over time. This is what we want to happen, as we want to take advantage of compounding interest. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching. It was quite an in-depth video. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply to you. If you enjoyed the video guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and remember, an investment in education always pays the highest returns.